welcome to what is probably going to be one of the most random videos I've done in a while. Woo! So, Ciao Lovely, Lunaria here, and today I was doing something and decided, you know what, this could be an OFT tutorial, and I think I'm right. So, today, basically I'm going to be telling you guys how to make storage for like special occasion stickers. It's essentially how to make your own like sticker album, but you can take them out. So I have this sticker book here, and as you can see, I've pretty much used all of the stickers inside of it. It's mostly empty at this point. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I've already started this process on the back couple pages, is remove all of the like border stickers like these. You're gonna take these off, leaving you with just a piece of what is essentially wax paper in your notebook. Also, if you want use for stickers that you're not ever going to use, i.e. maybe they don't apply to you but they were in a sticker book of other things that you enjoyed, one of my go-to projects has been sticker collages, where I just collage an entire page of my journal. That way I still feel like they're getting use and I don't feel like I'm wasting them. So, continue on with taking off all of these border pieces. You should be able to just pretty much start peeling them away like they're stickers, and you'll have to go from there. Oh, and before I forget, if you're really into like the zero waste sustainability thing and you don't want to waste the borders, you can save them by either A, putting them on wax paper and then you can use them later, or B, if you want to use them before you start this project, you could use them to make sticker mosaics. You could also use them to make a sticker collage of just the border ones from this book. So you've got some options there, and I'm sure some of you creative lovelies will think of some awesome stuff to do with these, but for right now, I'm just gonna get rid of mine because I really don't have a place for that. So continue on with what you're doing. Okie dokie. So once you take off all the excess of the sticker pages, you should be left with an empty sticker book that just is essentially a bunch of non-stick paper for your stickers, and then the old cover of the book. So the next thing is optional, but you can decorate the covers to put like your name or like your name's sticker book on here. I'm going to do that before I put in some of the album stickers, so I'm going to go decorate this and then I will be back.